In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily turn on or turn off comments on Instagram stories. Make sure to watch the video till end. Guys, first of all, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right corner to head over to your profile and then tap on those three lines to head over to the settings of your Instagram account. Once you are on this page, you would have to scroll down all the way and you would be able to find an option of comments in how others can interact with you section. Now tap on comments, then tap on stories, and you would be able to find three different options. Like first one is everyone. If you click on this option, everybody would be able to comment on your stories. Then if you choose people you follow, only the people you follow can comment on your stories, reply on your stories. And if you turn it off completely, nobody would be able to comment down on your stories. So if this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.